Magandang hapon po ng November 30, 2023 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 30, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, November 30, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 30, 2023, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 201 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 27 million pesos for November 30, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 30, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.